Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, y'all. It's another trading recap. Fortunately, no dubs today. Only break evens, man. Very unfortunate. Um, but we still came out of the day with some moolah. So let's go over it, all right? For our first trade of the day. Actually, I keep forgetting. All right, first, y'all gotta like and subscribe. Um, hit that bell noti too or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Vlog coming tomorrow. Y'all better be prepared for that. Or actually, no, it's coming Saturday probably. But I'm recording it tomorrow. Hell yeah. So we still gonna have a training recap tomorrow. All that goodness and sweetness. But then we'll have a Saturday upload as well, hopefully. So that definitely the algorithm likes it when I upload consistently. Um, so we're gonna keep doing that. But enough waffling. Today we made some trades and we didn't lose money. So we're going to go over the chart. I'm going to actually start doing trading recaps even on days I don't take trades because I need to be looking at the charts every day, even if I don't take a trade. But regardless, let's look here. On the daily chart here, we see recently, yesterday, we absolutely smashed all-time highs and pumped and closed above it. So we made new all-time highs on NQ and ES, but ES actually had overnight hadn't taken the daily high. So we had a SMT at the daily highs going into a market open. Come down to the 4 hour. You see, we have a few fair value gaps. You have this 4 hour fair value gap here that I just marked out, just in case. I wasn't expecting price to trade it this deep into the range, but just in case we haven't marked out. It might trade down there in PM session, I'm gonna say, because it looks like ES is heading there right now, actually. Regardless, let's okay, so yeah, we had that 4 hour gap that I saw we were still kind of respecting. We hadn't quite tapped into it yet, but we were still respecting the sentiment of it, respecting the movement. And then we had this hourly fair value gap that we were respecting. We had no closes below the bottom of it, just had wicks here. And that's what we like to see when we're trying to find a high time frame, high confluence fair value gap. Jumping down to the 15-minute, we had this BPR, 15-minute BPR, which is a bearish fair value gap and a bullish fair value gap overlapped. So you had this fair value gap and then instantly inverse, creating a bearish fair value gap. And then that's what was respected. Tap back into this bullish gap here and then dropped. That was yesterday, and all of London was pretty much chopped. So we chopped most of London and Asian session. So it was really just range finding. And today I was coming in today, not even expecting to take a trade realistically. But price action had deemed it appropriate. So we're gonna go over the trade we took. Seeing here, we have this 2-minute inversion. I don't know why I had marked that out, if I'm gonna be completely honest. Because I want to see price respect it, drop down, and then inverse here, right? But we didn't quite do that. We disrespected this, came down, created the SMT that gave me further confluence to the upside. Once we created this SMT here, I pretty much disregarded this, and then was just looking for more fair value gaps, more bearish fair value gaps to form, and then in turn be inversed on the way up. But the one that we did get, when we finally did get one, swept into the hourly fair value gap here. So that's an A plus setup. Swept liquidity, SMT at the lows, and an inversion gap with other PD arrays respecting the same price movement pretty much. Oh wow, I should have targeted this order block here. That would have been a crazy trade. Anyway, I'm gonna tell y'all something real quick. We dropped in, shot up, like absolutely just rocketed up. When we hit this gap here, that's when I moved my stop to break even, because we had this bearish gap that hadn't been inversed yet. Move stops to break even. Finally inversed it. I was expecting just to hit TP and then leave my runner for the rest of the day. But unfortunately, as soon as we inversed it, we came right back down with this bearish engulfing candle, and then came right down to our break even stop loss. Now, had I kept my original stop loss the same, my 11-point stop, we would have been just fine. So it's a little disappointing, but yeah, an 11-point stop would have given us our TP, and we would have had our one winning trade for the day. So we would have had that, and then our runner probably been taken off here. Actually, no, it would have been taken off at break even. So yeah, it would have been taken off down here. But hindsight is 2020. Lost that trade, 10 contracts, but we still made like $7 in profit, because my break even is like 5 ticks above actual break even. But yeah, next we see some more. So look, my overall bias was it's still bullish. Okay, I know we see a lot of sideways movement, but I'm still bullish. I'm still expecting to see these highs get taken again. And that was really that's my drawn liquidity for today. Pretty low volume day, if I do say so myself. Only about 40 points of range here we have. That's actually crazy. What? Yeah, only around 40 points of range we have here. So yeah, very low volume day, but we had this bullish fair value gap here that got inverse. And you might be thinking, Kevin, why wasn't that your confluence to go short? And I would say to you, A, because I'm not a retard. Okay, my daily bias is bullish, so I'm not going to make bearish trades, especially on such a tiny short time frame. So here, if we had gone short off of this fair value gap, or this inversion fair value gap, we would have had our stops up here, and we would have been stopped out. So we took the right trade. The only thing we could have done maybe a little better was, keep our eye out for these order blocks here. Because it seems that's where price reversed literally 2 times. We had 2 order blocks that our price reversed at. But what can you do? What can you do? Hindsight 2020, still made it out, still got the accounts, didn't lose, didn't succumb to the tilt demon, and made some profit today. So definitely happy about all of that. And we followed our rules. So definitely happy. Gonna come back to the charts tomorrow, do it all over again, hopefully make some wins. But yeah, man, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, man, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Hope y'all made some money today. And yeah, keep your head down, keep grinding, and let's learn together. All right, I'll see y'all.